Welcome to another Memory Minute. In particular, I wanted to talk about a new program that I have orchestrated, put together out of a sense of need, and that is the program called GriefShadow. It is a 16-week instrumental support group, meaning there's a focus, there's a workbook. We apply research knowledge on grief. Grief has a lot of research that maybe people aren't aware of. With my thanatology degree, of course, I have a lot of information that we've developed over time and that I learned. But now that I'm walking this journey, which we talk about in many other memory minutes, is it's a long journey. There are a lot of shadows. We have a lot of grief that isn't always recognized either by ourselves or by our professional caregivers. So somewhat stigmatized, maybe. There's that ambiguous grief where, well, the person isn't gone yet, but man, I'm really feeling it. We will cover the Dementia Grief Cycle, which looks at that compounding of loss that happens incrementally over time, and it's wave upon wave. Just when you think you've adjusted to one thing, another thing happens. And we know that happens for both care partners, but this particular grief shadow group is for the caregiver as opposed to the care recipient. We will have some times for emotional support as well, but it will again have a 16-week with 16 separate looks at disenfranchised grief. What does that mean? Being denied the ability, the stigma, the progression, and how it affects the caregiver, the grief of even loss of your own activities. So it's a powerful look at almost like a pre-death. We will have some folks that will join us in this journey, mentoring capacities, who have already experienced it. Because a lot of the information we've received over time on grief from dementia says that we're going to have a sense of relief. Well, there's more to it than that, right? And that's where our mentors come aboard and show us what more there is. To sign up for this group, you would go to katemccarty.com and push the tab that says Grief Shadow. And there you would have, it's a virtual group. It meets in the evenings. There is a fee for the entire 16-week course of support. And again, it's a course because it is an instrumental group, meaning that we have this focus and we're applying research to what we're experiencing. So it's kind of both instrumental and loss oriented, restorative and loss oriented. Those are all terms that are covered and will come to be understood in the course. Again, for more information, go to katemccarty.com and click on the tab that says Grief Shadow. Thank you.